Hey, to use circle to search on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, all you have to do is just to click and hold on the home button or on this navigation gesture bar at the bottom. And now click to continue. And now we can select wherever you want. You can tap on it or simply circle. So I would like to actually search for this background. So just select with your finger arena that you want and now release. And as you can see right now, we can find actually the exact location where the photo was taken. So it's National Park, Cover Lake actually. There we go. And here it is. And you can actually search for everything that you want. So if I'm gonna open my photos, for example, and here I can find the photo of the Real Madrid, I'm gonna use the circle to search and just select them. Let's see what we will get. As you can see, we get information where the photo was taken in 2014. This is the Real Madrid roster. There we go. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.